OC Services, Surrey's trusted security system company for intruder alarms, CCTV systems, access control and key cutting or locksmith services. We provide first-class solutions to protect your property. With our expertise, we can identify and resolve any of your security vulnerabilities. We provide a wide array of services and products to meet your security needs. Diverse range of CCTV systems. Choose from various internal protocol, IP and analog CCTV systems tailored to your property. Free security survey. Our no-obligation security survey ensures we fully understand your requirements. Professional installation. Our team handles installation and commissioning meticulously. Annual maintenance options. Keeping your system optimal. Remote monitoring. Staying connected yourself or remotely. Emergency support. 24/7 emergency response options. Before any installation, we perform a comprehensive, free, no-obligation security survey. We can then advise on suitable camera specifications, hardware placement, recording equipment, and preferable methods for video retrieval. Intruder alarms play a crucial role in protecting your premises against unauthorised access and theft. We understand that security is not one size fits all. Every property comes with its own unique requirements. We will walk through your premises together, meticulously assessing various factors such as entry points, the type of construction of the property, its size, and the potential risks of break-ins. We will produce a detailed system design proposal that encapsulates not only your security requirements, but also aligns with your insurance stipulations. Control who can enter your building and restrict access to certain areas using our first-class access control systems. Our team of expert security system installers will ensure your facility is well protected and you have complete control over who has access to restricted areas. We provide and install a range of safes and lockboxes. We offer comprehensive locksmith services to meet the needs of both homes and business. Whether you require lock installation, repair or replacement, you can trust that your property is equipped with top-of-the-line security solutions. We offer a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week emergency service, ensuring that help is always just a phone call away. Get in touch with us today for all your security needs.